Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer all your backyard questions. If you like this content, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Ever wondered why mosquito bites itch like crazy and what actually works to stop it? In this video, I'll explain why mosquito bites itch and what to do once you've been bitten. Did you know male mosquitoes don't bite? It's only the females, and they bite because they need the protein in your blood for the development of their eggs. You heard that right. That big red whelp on your arm or leg that itches is actually helping them to produce more mosquitoes. But why does it itch so bad? A mosquito's saliva contains anticoagulants such as hirudin and enzymes or blood thinners. These allow the mosquito to have a feast without the interference of your blood clotting and ruining their meal. Once you're bitten, your immune system releases histamines, causing inflammation, itching, and swelling that can last for days. Do's and don'ts. Don't scratch. It makes it worse and can lead to infection. Wash with soap and cold water. Apply ice packs for swelling. Home remedies. Baking soda paste. Mix a little baking soda with water until it forms a paste. Place on the bite and secure with a Band-Aid. Let sit for 10 minutes. Aloe vera. Use purchased aloe vera. Or if you have a plant, cut off one of the leaves. Slice open and scrape out aloe. Use as a lotion. Honey, natural anti-inflammatory. Over-the-counter solutions: hydrocortisone cream, calamine lotion, antihistamines such as Benadryl. While you may just believe it just itches, mosquito bites can do much more. They transmit diseases through their saliva. Think West Nile, malaria, and even yellow fever. So we not only want to keep from being bit, but keep them away from our home, families, and ourselves. Here's how. Mosquitoes love standing water. Empty buckets, bird baths, or flower pot trays. Wear light-colored clothing and long sleeves. Natural repellents: citronella, eucalyptus oil, lemon balm, lavender. Grow certain plants like marigolds in your backyard or on your patio. If you'd like more plants, check out our video linked below. Store-bought options: DEET-based repellents. Warning: when using DEET, some people experience rashes or irritated skin. It can also irritate your eyes if sprayed too close. There have been rare reports of seizures associated with DEET. Thermocell or mosquito repelling coils are inexpensive and can work 5 to 7 hours and cover up to 10 feet. Using some of our tips will help ensure you have a safe and happy bug-free summer. Please note all mentioned products are linked below. We at Backyard University hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.